Boxes. Do we have to use?
No.
This is a console.
Oh, they have an Xbox. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just smartwatches.
Oh.
Horizon.
Put this in here.
Yeah. You have enough HDMI cords for life here, man. All the HDMI cords been in.
Was this Horizon from my box?
This is my box. Ooh.
Here, baby, will you? Oh.
Nice Seiko watch.
Oh, that's nice.
Like this? Uh-huh.
And then, are those boxes down here?
No.
Do you remember these iPhone things?
Yeah. A lot of cables. That's what I'm saying. This is a cool figure. Ultimate Songbird Edition, Bioshock. I wouldn't be surprised. This is a couple $100 as well. Pay crazy money for this stuff.